Find or read reviews that people are talking about ViprTech Stryker 3.0, liquid-cooled powerhouse built for gamers and creators. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. The ViprTech Stryker 3.0 liquid-cooled gaming desktop stands as a powerful and stylish machine crafted for gamers, streamers, and creative professionals alike. At the core of this sleek white build is the AMD Ryzen 7 2700 processor, featuring 8 cores and 16 threads with speeds up to 4.1 GHz turbo. Delivering robust multi-threaded performance for both intensive workloads and high frame rate gaming. Complementing the CPU is the GeForce RTX 3060 12GB graphics card, a solid performer capable of handling today's most graphically demanding titles with ease. Offering smooth gameplay and support for ray tracing technology to enhance visual immersion. The system comes pre-built and ready to perform, outfitted with 32GB of DDR4, 3200 MHz RAM, ensuring fluid multitasking whether you're gaming, live streaming, editing video, or running heavy software applications. A 1TB NVMe SSD serves as the high-speed storage solution, significantly reducing boot times and load screens while providing ample space for games, files, and programs. With speeds up to 30x faster than traditional hard drives, the NVMe SSD transforms system responsiveness and file access into a seamless experience. Thermal performance is a key element in the Stryker 3.0's design, and it delivers with a 120mm RGB liquid cooling system that keeps the processor running at optimal temperatures during intense sessions. Aesthetically, the PC features a white chassis accented with white braided cable extensions, giving it a clean and modern look. The built-in RGB lighting system, fully controllable via a dedicated button on the case, allows users to personalize their setup with vibrant effects that illuminate the internal components and create an eye-catching display. Running on Windows 11 Pro, the ViprTech Stryker 3.0 offers a polished, productivity-ready environment with enhanced security features and compatibility for both gaming and professional software. The inclusion of Wi-Fi and Bluetooth ensures easy wireless connectivity right out of the box, making setup and device pairing effortless. Perfect for gamers who demand both performance and style, as well as content creators in need of a reliable and powerful machine, the ViprTech Stryker 3.0 checks all the right boxes. Whether you're aiming for high FPS in competitive games, editing 4K video, or simply enjoying the immersive visuals of modern titles, this PC is built to keep up and look good doing it. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.